Hello guys, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. As I told you earlier in my other videos that I will be dropping you guys the trading setups, possible trades for the day. Okay, so I'll be making the market analysis for you, and I'll only be doing that on boom and crash. Okay, boom 500, crash 500, boom 300, and crash 300. So if you don't have a derivative account, check the description below, create your account, link it to your MetaTrader 5, and you can start trading right away. Okay, you can use these trade setups. So let's get started. This is crash 1000. I will not be touching it for today. Probably in my other videos I can do that. So I'll click on here and we pick the ones we'll be considering. Okay, starting from boom 500. So click on that, wait for the market to open. Okay, so this is the 30-minute time frame, and let's see what the market is doing. The market is going on uptrend. Okay, how do I know? Let's set our trend line somewhere around here, and let's see something. Okay, so if you check on here, from this point to this point right here, if you draw a line, you will see that this market is going on an uptrend. And for sure, the boom is not, it's not market that you can trade on uptrend, only if you have sizable capital, because you're going to see your positions going in red for some period of time before a spike can happen. Okay, so if you have a spike, that is when you only make money. Okay, so as the market is on uptrend, there are still opportunities for you to take small trade. Okay, those at the conference area when it's having a kind of accumulation right here. Okay, so you can see it's having a kind of accumulation right here. So those little retracement before it continues its uptrend, those are the places you can enter. Okay, those are the places you can enter for some quick trade. Okay, so but you don't get greedy, don't stay in the market for long, because the uptrend can go against you and you can lose your money in no time. Okay, so this is another level right here that you can enter the market. Okay, this retracement right here, okay, you can definitely enter the market, then you leave it. Probably you can just stay in the market for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Make sure you enter with a stop loss and take profit. Okay, don't just enter and keep watching it. Do your analysis and enter based on stop loss and take profit. Okay, so the market is going to retrace to the next level. Okay, the next level of resistance, then you leave it, because that next level of resistance can form support for it. For example, if our RSI is indicating that this market is going to go on a sell, okay, it has hit the level of sell zone. You can see after, since then it has been selling. So once it hit the sell zone, you enter. Probably you enter from around this place. Okay, you enter from around this place, and your stop loss is going to be at the last resistance level. Okay, quarter can turn to a support level for it, and the market can keep going on its uptrend. Okay, do not ever think that you want to ride this retracement all the way to the bottom, because you don't know when the bottom is going to happen. Okay, so that is one of the setups for today. You can enter on some retracement considering this RSI right here, and also the last support or the last resistance level. Okay, be very careful to note that. But this is in 30-minute time frame. Okay, let's view it in other bigger time frame to see the bigger picture of things. And if you don't know about this whole setup, I'll drop the link to the video I explained the setup for you. The link is right there underneath this video. Check on it, watch the video, and have your setup this way. Okay, this is going to be the setup I'm going to be using henceforth until I decide to change it, and I'm going to notify you guys. Okay, so that's basically that. Let's increase the time frame. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. Okay, let's go to 4 hours time frame, and let's see the bigger picture of things. Okay, so if you zoom into this level, you would see that the market is still on heavy uptrend. Okay, it's on heavy uptrend, and it has not gotten to any major resistance level. Okay, the last resistance level was around here. Okay, this is a support level that it has broken. This support level didn't act as a resistance for it. Okay, so this is another resistance level right here. So I hope it gets here and it bounce back. Okay, if it turns to a support for it, then fine. If it doesn't, then we are still on an uptrend. Okay, so do not take long trade here. You can look for short or sell positions, but do not take long trade on boom 500. Okay, let's go to crash 500. Let's go to crash 500 right here. Crash 500. Let's see if there's any possible trading setup for today. There's any opportunity. Okay, in the bigger picture of things, this is a heavy downtrend, okay, on the crash 500, and it is not advisable to trade the crashes on downtrend. Reason being that the market of crash is supposed to go up, okay. It goes up candle after candle, then it crashes down, okay. Candle after candle, then it crashes down. So once it's on downtrend, you cannot enter it, because once you enter it, you see your market in red, okay. Your money keeps going in red. Then if possible, if there's a spike downward, then that's how you make your profit. So this is a serious downtrend right here in the 4-hour time frame if you zoom in. But let's zoom out a bit and let's see the other bigger picture of things, okay. Let's probably reduce it to 1-hour time frame, okay. 1-hour time frame, and let's zoom out a bit, okay. Let's zoom out a bit to see if there's some little opportunities for us, okay. You can see why it's on downtrend. It's still having some little uptrend, okay. For example, it came all the way here, went up a bit here, then came down, went up a bit here, okay. So like it's ranging around this area, and you can enter for a retracement. Since you know that this is going on a downtrend, then if it reach a kind of serious support level for it to go up, then you can enter for a retracement, okay. Don't take more than 10 minutes, okay. Max 10 minutes maximum, okay. That's about 2 candles if you're using the 5-minute time frame to do your analysis. So take a look at here. You can enter for this little retracement, then you are there for a candle or more, because this is 1-hour time frame, okay. So this candle takes 1 hour to form. You can just be there for 5 minutes or 10 minutes candle, okay. Using a sizable lot size, you make your profit, and that is it, okay. For that trade, you just enter for some time, you leave, okay. So while the market is ranging, you can still enter on some retracement. Do not look for a possible breakout around here, okay. This is a heavy downtrend, because you might face some fake out and you might not like it, okay. It's not good for your trading habit, okay. So now let's go to boom 300, okay. Let's go to boom 300, because we've done the boom and crash 500. Let's go to, okay, I only see crash 300 for, so we are going to utilize what we have. So this is crash 300, okay. This is crash 300, and crash 300 just finished one serious heavy uptrend, okay. Take a look at here. This is a serious uptrend, so the market is retracing. In my other videos, I explained that the crash 300 has not been around for long, okay. So we don't have big data for it to analyze for a long time. If you put it in 1 week time frame, you'll see that you run to the end of the chart easily. But right now the market is having a downtrend, a retracement. Where is it going to go up? I do not know, okay. Here are some resistance level right here that can possibly turn to support, but you don't just guess on that, okay. You don't guess on that. So you can trade some little retracement, but this market is on downtrend. Let's view it in the bigger picture of things. Let's go to 4 hours time frame, and let's see what we are going to get. 4 hours time frame, and let's zoom in a bit, okay. So this is the level the market is now. You can see a lot of resistance level right here that brought the market down. So possibly it's going to act as a support level for the market to go up, okay. If it acts as a support level, fine. But if it breaks all these resistance level, then the market is going to go down, then come and retrace this level, okay. It's going to retest this level, okay, because it's going to turn like a support for it. Then if it, or a resistance, depending on whichever one the market is playing, okay. Do not trade the market based on what you want the market to play, okay. Don't let the market trick you. So if it breaks all this level, then it's going to come up a bit to retest it. So you can go in on that retest, okay. You can go in on that retest. But if it breaks it, then we'll be expecting another level. So this is the downtrend so far. So just expect this level to reverse it, or if it breaks it, then it's going to retest, and you can enter on that retest. So let's go to boom 300, and that will be all for today, okay, on our trading setup and analysis. So I'll click on here, I'll go to the market section, and I'll go to boom 300, okay. Boom 300, okay, awesome. So boom 300 has been on downtrend. How do I know? Now if you draw your trend line from this point to this point right here, that is a downtrend. But while it's going on a downtrend, you can see some major retracement, okay. Major retracement, do it forming lower lows, so it's still on a downtrend. So how do you enter? Now if you want to enter this market, do not forget your RSI is very important, your 2 moving averages are important, and also make sure that the market is going, it's not within any resistance level, okay, or any support level. Right here, this is where the price action is, okay, and that's not a good time to enter the market, okay. You can see that as the market reaches this point right here, as it reaches this point right here, this point, okay, I hope you can see this red. As it reaches this point, you can see that it spikes up, okay, because here are the support level, okay. This is the last support level that the market bounced and went on this serious retracement, okay, before it heads downward, okay. So what are the possible trading opportunities in boom 300 for today? This is in 4 hours time frame, okay. Let's reduce the time frame a bit. Let's reduce it a bit. So go to time and reduce it to H1, okay, 1 hour time frame. So you can say in 1 hour time frame, this is a serious uptrend. I told you guys, okay, this is a serious uptrend. So you look for a possible trading positions, okay. This is a resistance level right here, okay, a conference level where the market ranges for some time, then it breaks out of that, okay. So and it came back to retest it, went up, came back to retest it, okay. So this is another retest. So possibly the market is having a reversal to go up. So when it reaches some serious resistance level around here, there's going to be some retracement. You can see this is another spike that just happened now. So when the retracement is happening, you can enter for a possible sell, okay, just for short period of time, okay. This is a ranging market. Do not get burnt in it, okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't created your boom and crash account, it's quite simple. You can do that on Deriv or Binary, and the link is in the description below. Thank you guys, and bye for now.